Twitch polls. On this tab, you can see a table of all polls created on Twitch within the last 90 days, along with an information pane showing details about the selected poll. By default, the table is empty and is cleared each time Streamer.Bot is closed. You can change the width of all columns by dragging the separators. If you double-click on a separator, the column will resize to fit the width of its largest value. You can't sort anything in this table. In the table you can see title, the poll's question, choices, the number of available choices, votes, the total number of votes cast, winner. For active polls, displays the current leading choice. For other polls, shows the final result. State indicates the poll's status, active, terminated, or archived. Active polls are highlighted in green. Poll is set to the archived state by Twitch about a minute after termination. If you right-click anywhere on the empty space in this area, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add allows you to create a new poll if there are no active polls. Refresh updates the poll table by retrieving all polls from your channel from the last 90 days. In the Create Poll dialog, you can set the title question, up to 60 characters. Add choices, minimum of 2, maximum of 5. Each choice can have up to 25 characters. To add a choice, enter the text in this field and click Add. Remove choices. Select a choice and click Delete. Set channel points per vote. Define the cost of additional votes. If set to 0, additional votes are disabled. Set poll duration between 15 seconds and 1800 seconds, aka 30 minutes. If you select a poll, the information pane will display title of the poll, number of people who voted, number of people who voted using channel points, total votes, regular plus channel points, choice statistic displayed as bars. Each bar shows vote breakdown in percentage and count. Green regular votes, turquoise vote using channel points. If you right-click on an active poll, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add. It will be disabled, because you can't have two active polls at the same time. Terminate the poll. Archive the poll. Refresh. Update the polls table. If you right-click on a terminated or archived poll, a context menu will appear with the following options. Add. If you don't have an active poll, you can add a new one. Run again. Creates a new poll with the same parameters and starts it. This option is not present if you have active poll. Refresh. Update the polls table.